so some interesting updates. As I'm doing research regarding Amazon's Alexa, I am finding a bit of a discrepancy here. I read that Alexa actually puts it on the user, whoever owns the Alexa, to inform their guest or anyone else in the house of Alexa's terms of privacy, the expectations of privacy, and how data is recorded. Because essentially the person in the room is not officially agreeing for Alexa to use their biometric data, which we discussed is voice, face, fingerprint, to build a profile on them. But it does happen, and it kind of happens inadvertently, I guess you can say, because if I'm over a friend's house and they say, hey, Alexa, play such and such, and I'm talking, they're going to pick up my voice. It is what it is. And if I then say, hey, Alexa, do such and such, it's picking up on my voice, my data profile. Now, as we all know, now say I have something on my phone that's also activated, connected to Amazon, Alexa, or any of the other apps, because we all know that they talk to each other. I've been preaching this before. They talk to each other, third parties, same companies, whatever it is, they talk to each other. So inadvertently, they could be building a profile on me. Now, so I read somewhere and I wanted to dive into this and discuss and show you where it says it is the person who owns the device responsibility to inform the other parties that this is what it is. I could not find it, but I did find something interesting. There is a section on the UK site for Amazon Alexa that talks about how third parties, use and collect data. But for whatever reason, it is deleted on the US site. The US site doesn't even exist. And so I plugged in, trying to research and find why would this be happening? And it's more than likely because the companies often update their policies, bringing it to different web pages, links break, but the mirrored version is on the UK site. Now, this is interesting because in another video, I did mention how YouTube had something written in their policy on the web version that wasn't in the mobile. So like, how far does this go? Because in my mind, all of these apps should have the exact same language, terms of use, terms of agreements, no matter what device I'm viewing it on or where I'm viewing it from. So I will report back when I find factual information on this. But until then, like and subscribe to Clear Terms of Service, where we talk about what we agree to when we agree to use various apps, products, and services. Bye.